It's been months and months of me seeing this Tik-Tok pasta, and I'm like thinking that it's too plain. So I want to show you guys the way that we make it, which is actually really, really, really tasty. So this version, we're gonna add a lot more seasoning. We're gonna add, instead of feta, we do goat cheese. And then we're gonna do the brown rice quinoa pasta, which is gluten-free and much healthier.
Well, that's good. And,
and then we top it with some chicken breast. Okay, first step is you're gonna get your dish to bake in, and you're gonna lay your cheese of choice in the middle. So we're doing the goat cheese because we love, love, love goat cheese.
Yep.
This is 10 ounces. You're only gonna put about 6, probably 8 ounces in there.
Oh, nice.
But this is the Costco big pack. So it'll be almost the whole pack. We do about 5-6 inches. And throw that in the middle. And the goat cheese is already pretty soft, so that's why it's hard to get out sometimes. Then you're gonna do about 1 pound of either grape tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. This is 2 pounds, so we're just gonna use half of it.
All right.
And then you're just gonna lay it around. This is literally the easiest dish ever. And it's a one dish pasta. And we're not even gonna worry about cutting them because we're just gonna mash them up. And then one thing that I'm gonna add is the artichoke hearts.
Ooh, that's the new thing, right? That's what's gonna give it a little flavor.
Super yummy.
Yeah. You've made this, what, a couple days ago, and it tasted so freaking good.
I did. So we're gonna just chop probably half the can up. Just slightly over half the can. And then the leftovers, I actually made a really good dip with the next day.
Yeah.
So maybe we'll show that next.
Let's do it.
So these you're gonna throw in. I'll just cut them up and then show you. The artichokes had a good flavor. So
this
normally,
does look simple, right?
It's super simple. And normally it would have just been the tomatoes and cheese.
And that's what Tik-Tok pasta is?
And garlic.
Wow.
So I feel like you need way more. So we're gonna throw in a whole head of garlic. That's interesting.
Was it bad?
No, it's just purple. I think it's fine. Okay. These are...
What do we got here?
We're just gonna throw them in like that, roast them, and then we'll just peel them after.
Oh yeah, that looks great. You look good today, by the way. That's a nice little outfit. Did you get dressed for the cooking part, or were you just gonna, woke up looking like that?
I was working today.
That's right.
Hey, you know, I showed a few houses. And no, I'm just kidding. I woke up like this.
Yeah, you did.
Now we're gonna do a generous amount of olive oil.
Let's see it.
One more garlic. Garlic is super good for you.
Who says?
They say.
Who they be?
Okay, you're just gonna throw it in there. Now, normally they say just lay like 3 things of thyme in there, which I think is stupid. So we're gonna actually peel it.
Oh, there you go.
And then sprinkle it on, because otherwise you don't taste it enough. I don't even know what the point of that is. Do you?
No, don't ask me. I don't know anything.
I just eat it.
I'm just letting you do your thing.
Thanks.
They make delicious meals.
Okay, so 3, probably 4 springs. Is that what it's called?
Springs?
Springs of thyme. Oh, it smells so good.
It does.
Okay. And then, see how simple?
Very
a little
simple.
dash of salt.
Hold on.
Oh. Actually, a dash of pepper, I should say.
That is pepper.
That is pepper. And then salt. Just focus on the tomatoes, really. And then red pepper is key.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be about a teaspoon of everything. And then, since I love the thyme so much, we're going to throw in just a tad more. And this is basil.
Basil?
Which we're going to throw in fresh basil after the pasta's done.
Can't forget that.
And then my favorite, the spicy Italian.
Mm-hmm. Spicy Italian, like you wish you were. But you're a spicy Scandinavian.
That goes too. And that's it. Putting it in for 30 minutes at 400.
All right.
Doesn't it look yummy?
30 minutes at 400. Come on now, let's see it.
Wait till it comes out.
Oh, I can't wait. See you in 30 minutes. They're lovely. Lovely pasta.
One pot pasta.
I don't know what's lovelier, pasta or you, your face today.
Now we're gonna boil some water and throw in the pasta. Then by the time that's done, we're gonna dump it all together and that's it.
I mean, how easy does it get?
The easiest.
Let's see what you're gonna do. Let's see it.
Let's see it.
See if you can manage putting some water in a pot.
I think I can. That's how easy this is. Anybody can make it.
I think we've mentioned that, but only.
Just kidding. Only like 5 times.
Yeah. There's only one way to find out.
You guys have to try it. There's a few guys that ask for like simple family recipes. Mm-hmm. And that's the one. Okay. We're gonna throw this on to boil. Make sure you salt the water.
Like you're gonna do right now, right?
Yep. You know I don't ever forget salt.
Well, the one time you actually need it, you might forget it. A generous amount?
A generous amount. I love that word, generous.
Yeah.
Oh, and the water.
Let's turn that off.
So that's gonna boil. It'll take like
10 minutes, 15?
10, 15. Then we're gonna dump the pasta in. It cooks like 6 minutes. So it's been in the oven. We have 11 minutes left. So now is the perfect time to throw in the pasta because it cooks for about 10.
Let's do it.
So we're gonna throw that in and quickly do the chicken.
Or the pasta, right?
Yeah, and then it'll all be done at the same time. Which I love that.
Hold on, don't.
And you're gonna do the whole bag.
All right, do the whole bag.
And then, next up, we're gonna season 2 chicken breasts to put on top. Here we have our 2 chicken breasts.
Oh yeah.
And you remember I always like to split them in half. So
I do remember that.
There.
I think our last dish was.
This was the same as the chicken and mushroom.
Yeah, which was only a couple of weeks ago, so my memory still serves me.
For now.
I haven't been that forgetful, I'd say.
Not yet. Well, God, I hope not ever.
Your hair is actually blocking a lot of your face today, Megan.
I'm sorry about that.
You should probably be wearing a hairnet.
That's not cute.
No?
A hairnet?
Yeah. But what if somebody finds a piece of hair in their dish?
Well, no one is going to be eating this dish except
Besides
you.
me.
And that's all right. Imagine all the hairs you've probably already eaten.
I probably ate a few.
Yeah, I would say.
So this is called the butterfly method.
You remember
See?
too. That is the butterfly. And then what do we do next?
Smash it.
Smash that like button.
Yeah. Smash that like button as we smash the chicken. Perfect.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
Speaking of, the kids have made a deal with us that
what deal
if it
is
gets
that?
to 1 million subscribers, they can get a dog. And they think they're pretty hopeful that's going to happen really quick.
4 kids.
So can you guys help out?
We play lots of tricks on our kids, as you can tell.
But it's going to happen. I swear cooking is totally a workout.
It is. All right, so to the salt.
Salt, pepper. No, not thyme. The green goddess.
The green goddess again.
Paprika. And that's it. That's all we're gonna do.
All right.
Because you know, when you eat it with the pasta, you're already gonna get a lot of flavor. Did everybody watch the Justice for Johnny today?
Yes. Justice was served, right?
Good news.
Johnny.
I messaged him.
The jury did the right thing this time.
I messaged him.
You did directly?
Directly.
Or did you drive over there?
No, directly.
You drove all the way to Virginia?
I totally thought about it.
Yeah, you and Amber both hung out together, huh?
Oh no.
Focus on the food, Megan. I think our jibber jabbers
Okay.
distracting a lot of people.
Season both sides. Salt, pepper, paprika, and then the green goddess. I read the ingredients of this, so it is really good for chicken. But if you didn't have this, do the onion, salt, pepper, chives, lemon pepper. So, just in case you don't have that.
You can probably Google the ingredients too of the.
Yeah, it's probably made a few places.
All right.
Okay, so now we got both sides. We're gonna just throw it in there for like 2-3 minutes on each side. I put some olive oil on medium heat. And don't burn yourself. You probably could have done a bigger skillet, but it'll work.
This will do.
It'll do. 2 minutes left on the inside. Then we will flip the chicken breast. We're about to dump the pasta. But before you do that, you want to make sure you take a cup of the pasta water to save it.
What for?
So we're gonna dump that into the big dish once it's out. So that's one little trick. So we're gonna dump the pasta. Oh, but we need the colander.
Sure do.
There we go. Okay, we're about to take the dish out. It looks super yummy.
The pasta dish. The main.
The one pot. Look how good those tomatoes look.
Oh yeah. How about that?
But first, before I show you that step, let's flip your chicken. Well, you guys would flip your chicken. Just so we make sure that's done. Okay, so remember the big chunks of garlic that we had in there? I like to just pull that out.
And smash them?
And then you just kind of, if you can see here, I'm just kind of squeezing it out of there. Can you see?
Yeah.
So they're just roasted and soft. And we're gonna throw those back in there. And then what I like to do is just kind of mush the tomatoes around. Everything is getting smashed up. Okay. And then the garlic pieces that we took out, let's throw those back in. Pasta's about to get dumped in, which I think is the best part. Dump like half and then mix it. And that's when you can add in your splash of pasta water. It just stops the cheese from getting like too thick. And then next we're gonna throw in a handful of fresh basil.
Oh yeah.
Sliced up. Because everybody loves basil.
So Tik-Tok stops at this pretty much, right? And then we're adding chicken to it to give it a little protein.
Yeah, that's the extra step.
You don't want to get in the habit of just eating pasta and carbs by itself. Here we go again.
I mean, obviously, unless you're vegetarian, this is where you would stop.
Oh, you're right. I mean, there are exceptions, but.
Or. So that was about a half a cup of the pasta water.
Okay.
And then I just realized there's a little extra pasta left. So we can add that in.
Let's bring it on.
Give it a good mix.
Give it a taste. Do you think it tastes good?
Oh, I think so. Right now?
Well, don't you want to taste it?
Yeah, I like to try it while I make it, if I don't burn myself.
Like a good chef.
So good.
Good, yeah?
Yeah, it's really good. Okay, let's throw in that fresh basil.
Oh, look at that basil tree.
I keep buying new ones because they keep dying. I don't know, I'm just gonna keep trying though and see what happens.
Are you gonna chop it up?
We're gonna slice it up, yeah. Slice it up. You wanna do like one big handful. And then let's throw in some more of that fresh thyme. Just to make it a little extra green again.
You seem like you got this down. How many times you've made it this way? This is what, your second time, third time, second?
Let's say third.
Third?
Yeah.
Magic.
Voila. Okay, and next step is the chicken is definitely done. So we're gonna pull that off and slice it up. We can just take one off for now and then slice it up here. But the flavors should mix nicely with the pasta. I mean, I know they did because we tried it. But so we'll just slice this up.
That chicken smells so good.
I like to do it in like slices like that. It kind of looks cute when you lay it on top of the pasta. All right, there you have it. So we'll just scoop up a plate. How much do you want tonight?
That's good.
We'll just throw the chicken. We'll just use my hands. They're clean.
Right. Give it a taste, Megan. See what you think.
Oh, that's right. And I might just want to eat it all.
You just might. I mean, let's hear an honest opinion. Honest.
Delicious.
Honest to God opinion.
I would want this every night.
Yeah, what makes it so good?
It's really good. There's a lot of flavor.
Compared to?
Which the other dish was lacking a ton.
Yeah.
So try it this way and I promise you, you will love it.
You know, the dish looks excellent. Doesn't it look really good?
And it's pretty healthy.
Yeah.
And it goes great with, you know.
Oh, yeah. Red or white? We prefer red. But you can definitely do a little white if you'd like.
You could do white, but I think red with pasta is better.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
This is simple and easy. I think it took us, what, 15 minutes, right?
Ish.
And we'll see you guys next week. God knows we might have a little fun surprise for y'all.
That's right.
And it might be, what? Maybe a fish taco or...
Oh, yeah, what we're making?
Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
Maybe fish tacos.
Maybe.
But we don't want to ruin it just yet.
Something yummy.
All right. See you guys next week. Thank you for watching.
Thanks.
Bye.